Why should you choose Ride and Rigscape? The following scenario is not fiction. It actually happens on rigs around the world every year. It happens so quickly. Imagine a sudden crisis. You must act immediately to save yourself. You're working at night, in a high wind, and it's snowing. Material is flying up into your face from a well blowout or fire. The situation will kill you in seconds, and you have practiced what you need to do once. Simple always saves lives. How many steps do you want in your escape procedure? Do you think simple or complicated would be better? What would the workers do? Ride Incorporated's Rigscape system is the result of actual rig workers explaining what they need most. Make it simple. Eliminate any confusion. My instinct is to just go. Can the system let me do that? Can I practice what I need to do easily and often? Just reach above and behind you? With other systems, workers must first connect their fall prevention harness to the escape fall protection system, then disconnect that same harness from the rig. Sound easy? Unfortunately, it's not. And those steps must be done behind and above the worker, under stress, possibly while injured, and before the worker can begin the rest of the escape procedure. Rigscape is easy and natural. In an emergency, with the Rigscape system, you must turn around and step off the platform and onto the device. That is all you need to do. From there, Rigscape removes you from the rig at over 22 feet per second, with no additional action required by the worker. You are never out of control. The Rigscape system gets the worker away from the rig quickly, then automatically slows for an easy landing. Automatic braking, two words that make all the difference in an emergency descent. Anything that must be managed manually in a crisis situation is something that can go wrong. The worker may make an error in spite of training due to stress or fear. The worker may be injured or incapacitated in some way, preventing a proper action. Rigscape is weight activated. Rigscape requires no complex actions or procedures to start up or operate. It is activated by the worker's weight. The worker must only step off the platform, and the Rigscape system will automatically send the worker down at a controlled speed and brake the descent at the bottom with no further action required. It's the perfect rescue system. Controlled descent speed and safe braking are also key requirements for a rescue system. Rigscape is tested and proven effective, shown here safely and automatically lowering a worker immobilized in a stretcher. Practice all you want. Rigscape can be used for multiple runs with no damage or appreciable wear. Workers are encouraged to train on the machines as often as possible, so using the device will become second nature. This "I do it all the time" familiarity is what shaves seconds off reaction time and can make the difference in an emergency. Workers get it. With Rigscape, you make a statement about safety. That safety matters, that you have looked beyond traditional zip lines, and you are choosing the system that protects the worker like no other. Safety is also dependent on worker buy-in. Workers can see the difference in ease of use at first glance and effectiveness the first time they ride down. And rigging in and out is easy. Rigging the system is another area where it becomes apparent that the designers work on and around rigs. Rigging in a Rigscape system can be accomplished in about 15 minutes. All hardware is designed for use in the field and has been rigorously tested and upgraded where necessary. Remember, it can happen to anyone. And the critical question is, are you ready?